Miami trainers share how to leave notes on a property or properties you're emailing your customers. Step 1. When you create that search, be sure to select it and save it and assign it to a customer. Once saved, under My Matrix, Save Searches, you can open the tab, click on Results, and put in a note before you email it to your customer. Option 2, Auto Emails. Opening up an active auto email, clicking on Results will also allow you to create notes. Why? Because these searches have a customer assigned to them. Matrix X short tips with your Miami trainers.